at Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today we're going to make this trending ice cream. It's called YAKULT ice cream. So I'm not going to use an ice cream maker. I'm just going to use bowls and electric mixer. So let's start. In a large bowl, I'm going to put some ice cubes. Then I'm going to put a smaller bowl on top. Pour 250 ml heavy cream. This is chilled. I put it in the refrigerator earlier. I'm also adding 50 ml condensed milk. I've seen other recipes they are using creme densada, which I believe is a combination of what we're using today. Using an electric mixer, I'm going to whip this until it is smooth, creamy, and the size is doubled. I'm actually looking for soft, big consistency. So I think this is done. We're now going to add about 2 to 3 bottles of YAKULT. YAKULT is a delicious probiotic fermented milk, which is so good for your digestive system. So I'm just going to continue whipping them until it is smooth and creamy. This is done, so I will stop mixing. Next, I'm going to transfer it in a glass container. So I'm just going to pour everything. It is so good. Look at this, guys. It looks like a vanilla ice cream, but it actually tastes even better because of the YAKULT. I'm using my spatula to spread it evenly. Next, we're going to use a cling wrap or plastic wrap. We're going to wrap it on top of the ice cream and we will gently push it down to flatten it against the ice cream. This technique is important to avoid ice cream freezer burns or those crunchy crystals on top of the ice cream. Now I'm going to put the lid and put it inside the freezer for at least 2 hours. After freezing, here's our ice cream. Just peel off the plastic and it is ready to be served. There you have it. We made an easy and delicious YAKULT ice cream. We only used 3 ingredients, so I think this is very simple. So you can try this recipe and let us know how it goes for you. Don't forget to visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. And don't forget to click on subscribe, tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when we release new videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!